Hey guys, welcome back to Keys Custom Creations. Today, we're going to make this really cool wooden American flag. Okay, so now that the glue up is dried, all we have to do now is cut the edge so it's perfectly straight on the miter saw, and then attach these 2 scrap boards to the back with just some brad nails, just to give it a little extra bit of support and to give it a place to hang it from. Now this is optional. I usually like to do this because it sets it off the wall a little bit and gives it a shadow. But if you don't want to do this so it can sit perfectly flush to the wall, you can do that too. But let's get right into it.
Never forget your safety protection.
So the best way I found to put the stars onto the American flag is a stamp. So I made my own stamp out of some floor mats for the floor of my shop. I saw a bunch of those samples lying around, you know, little square samples that they send you when you're purchasing the flooring. So I saw a bunch of those, so I just cut it out of that and glued it to this little piece of wood. It's just a cutout from a hole saw, and glued it to that, and it works great. I have one of those little sample cans of paint with some like off-tone white in it, and that's gonna be it. And that's how easy it is. Okay guys, I'm really sorry the camera did not turn on, so I don't have footage of me putting all these stars on, but you'll have some footage of the last couple. So, sorry about that. So that's it guys, these flags are really easy to make. You can batch them out really quick. They sell like hotcakes at craft fairs, and they overall just look really cool. They're a great add-on to any home, and they're really easy to make. So I encourage you to go try and make one. Thank you guys for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and please leave me a comment down below what you want me to build next. See you on the next one.